Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today's sports GK quiz. Who recently retired from international test cricket? Option A, Virat Kohli. B, Rohit Sharma. C, Rishabh Pant. D, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Who became the youngest debutant in IPL history at 14 years old? Option A, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. B, Yashasvi Jaswal. C, Tilak Verma. D, answer is A, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which country hosted the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Option A, Pakistan. B, UAE. C, India. D, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Which country won the Champions Trophy 2025? Option A, Australia. B, New Zealand. C, India. D, South Africa. Answer is C, India. Who won the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Option A, Travis Head. B, Virat Kohli. C, Pat Cummins. D, Jasprit Bumrah. Answer is D, Jasprit Bumrah. Who won the ICC Women's T20 Cricketer of the Year 2024? Option A, Ellis Perry. B, Hayley Matthews. C, Smriti Mandhana. D, Amila. Answer is Amelia Kerr. Where were the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 held? Option A, Haryana. B, Bihar. C, Gujarat. D, UP. Answer is B, Bihar. Which state won the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Option A, Maharashtra. B, Haryana. C, Punjab. D, Tamil Nadu. Answer is A, Maharashtra. Which state topped that medal tally at the Khelo India Para Games 2025? A, Rajasthan. B, Haryana. C, UP. D, Tamil Nadu. Answer is B, Haryana. Where were the 2025 Khelo India Beach Games hosted? A, DU. B, Goa. C, Kerala. D, Pondicherry. Answer is DU.